Hello students, in this video we will see how to download a free datasets. So for downloading free datasets we have a various sites or the links are available. From that you can download a datasets. So for that we have first link is the first site is the kaggle.com. So this here you can see the Kaggle is world largest data science community, and this Kaggle allow the user to find and publish a data sets. So now here if you want to search the data set with respect to healthcare domain, so just here you can go to the data sets. Now you will see here there are various trending data sets are here. So now suppose I want to search a data set in the healthcare domain. So just type health or the healthcare. You will get the data set related to that domain. Okay, so here you can see the healthcare predictive analytics group, healthcare problem prediction, stroke patient. So likewise you can download the data set. So now suppose if I want to download the data set in education domain, so just I am typing education, and you will see here there are lots of data sets are available in the education domain, and here you will see the 3800 data sets are available in the education domain. So this is the first site. Now if you are unable to find out any data set on this particular site, kaggle.com, then you go with the next site, that is UCI machine learning repository. So again on this in this site you can see here on UCI machine learning repository you will get the number of data sets. So here you can see that this site is divided into three sections. Here in the middle section you can see the newest data sets are there, or if you want to work on the newest data sets, so you can go with this type of data sets. Here you can see that. Now here on the upper right corner you can just give the name of the data sets which you want to download. So you can just type and search over here in the search box. Okay, now I want to download suppose iris datasets. So here you can see that again the most popular datasets are there, and or we can say these are the hit datasets are there. So most popular datasets are there. Now if you want to download the iris dataset, so just click on this iris datasets. So here you can see this page. So here in this page you can see the tabular format is there, and in this you can see the dataset characteristics is a multivariate, attribute characteristics is a real, associated task is a classification. That means I can perform the or this type of data set I can use for the classification purpose. Now number of instances is a 150. Number of instances, or we can say the number of observations are the 150. That means I will get a 150 records over here in this particular data set. Next is the number of attributes. Four number of attributes or features are there, or the number of dimensions are the four. After that the no missing value is there. That means this data set is a correct and actual data set with no missing value. After that here they have given the date of the donated date, and last you can see here the number of web hits are there, that is number of downloads is given over here. If you scroll down you can see here the dataset information is there. That means the Yeah, here you can again you can see the source is there. That means who is created this data set. After that, donor name is there. Then again, if you scroll down, you can see here the attribute information is given. So here you can see that total five attributes are there. Actually, in table they have specified the number of attributes are four. So these first four attributes are there, and this fifth one is my targeted attribute or my dependent attribute, where the classification is there: iris setosa, iris versicolor, and iris virginica. And here you can see the some of the relevant papers and the references are given. So now I want to download the iris data set. So here you can see the data folder is there. So you just click on that data folder. So here you will see the some links are there. So now in this particular iris.data, in this file the actual data is present. So just click on that and download this file iris.data. Okay, so the next is the suppose next you want to again if you are not able to find out any data set on this particular sites, then again we have a new sites which is data.gov.in, right? That means suppose you want to download a data set of Indian government, so you can go on this particular site for downloading the data set related to Indian government. Here you can see the various categories are there: transport, economy, education, industries, demography. Again you go with that. The next site is the data.gov. So here you can see not for IN, only data.gov. So here this site is for the US government. Again, this government has provided the various data set for the researcher and for the student. So again from here you can download the various data sets. So this is the one sites. Now next, suppose you want to download any financial related data sets. So for that we have one site which is condal.com. So just go with that site and you can get there any financial related. Just go to Google and type Condal dataset. So here the first site is there. Again, this is world most popular data lives on these sites. So here if you want to go with any finance related data set, so you can go with these sites. Yeah, here you can see that the data set is there. So from here again you can download the data sets. So now the next one is the next site is the World Bank data sets. So here again World Bank open data site is there. From here again you can download the various data set. Again here in the search box you can type yes. Suppose I want the data in the education field, so just type education, and here you can download the respective data set. So here the download is available in CSV, XML, Excel file. So this is one site. Now again, the Google has provided one search engine, which is Google Datasets search engine. So here you can see in the first link, dataset search. This Google Dataset Search is the search engine from Google, and that helps the researcher. You can locate online data, and that is freely available for use. So now again I want to download lung disease dataset, or I want to download cancer dataset. So just type cancer dataset. So here you will get the data set related to the cancer. Again you can see here the description of the data set is given, attribute information is given. So likewise again you can use this Google dataset search engine for downloading the data set. Again one more site is there, which is grouplens.org. data set. So here again you can see this site is there, Grouplens. So from here you can download the data set related to the, if you want to work on the or if you want to work on the some recommendation system. So from here you can download the data set. Movie Lens data set is there, Wikilens. You can just click on this. So here you can see the movie related dataset is available over here. So these are the some websites from where you can download the datasets.